fellow homebrewers. Checking in here to intro a extract, partial mash extract brew that I brewed a couple of weeks ago, long enough ago, so that I do have the beer. Beer is brewed, the beer is here. Tastes pretty nice. It is again, partial mash, a pretty simple cream ale that I brewed up. I decided to, I want to try a simple partial mash kit on the Anvil Foundry, which we have right here behind me. I wanted to brew up a simple batch to try out the Anvil. Again, it's the Anvil Foundry 6.5. And I've been playing around with it a lot, brewing some small batches, some extract batches, partial mash here this time, and really trying to figure out what I can do with the system as opposed to just doing half batches. Just introing the footage, I will link to the recipe off the Steve's Brew Shop if you're interested in buying it. I decided to buy it because I've been watching and listening to Basic Brewing Radio and the videos for a lot of years, so I figured what better way than to support a fellow home brewer who's off and gone into business with home brewing. So I did that, and yeah, it's a nice beer. Again, simple recipe. Some a couple of pounds or so of steeping grains and flake corn and whatnot, and the rest was really just light DME. And I think actually I might have not messed up the recipe, didn't follow it, because I ended up using some open DME that I had rather than what he included in the kit. But that's about it. It's a very, again, you can see it's came out fairly clear. If you can see my finger behind here, my giant finger. Again, it's only been in the keg a couple of weeks. Nice, clean, very simple, very straightforward beer. We're right in the middle of the summer here in Connecticut still, and it's a nice, easy drinking beer, which I was looking to replace the Kolsch that I brewed early in the summer, and it's already kicked. So that's about it. Again, the following up here. There's going to be some simple brew footage